Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use Instagram mention sticker in Instagram story. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open Instagram story section and tap on the sticker icon, and here you'll find this mention sticker. So tap on that, and now simply type the name whom you want to mention, and here you will get suggestion contact. You can select any of them to mention, and you can resize the mention sticker. You can change the position, and to change mention sticker color, tap on that to change color. And that's how you can use Instagram mention sticker. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.